All right, so for this one, we need to find an angle that's equivalent to 17 pi over 4. Um, so one way to do this is you could plug it into a calculator, um, but well, let's just do the conversion first. So remember that pi is equal to 180. 180 degrees. So then there are two conversion factors, pi over 180 degrees or 180 degrees over pi. So if I were to say 17 pi over 4, and then multiply that by, I think, the second one here. Now, why am I choosing the second one? Because I want the pi to cancel out. So if I say 180 degrees over pi, then this cancels with this, and I'm left with 180 times 17 divided by 4. So I'm going to say 17 times 180, which is 3,000. Boy, that's a big number. 3,060 divided by 4. Woo, that's a big number. So this is actually equal to 760, 65 degrees. And if you look, you could see, wait a minute, none of these are equal to 765 degrees. So then what we have to do is we have to think of our two-dimensional Cartesian plane. So this is 0 degrees, which is 0 radians. And so this is pi over 2, and this is pi. And then this is also equal to 360 degrees, which is equal to 2 pi if we rotate around. So this is pi over 4. So if I divide this into 8 sections, that's my pi over 4. So one way you could do this is you could just count, right? And this is 3 pi over 2. So this is like 2 pi over 4. This would be like 3 pi over 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is 17 pi over 4, which is the same as pi over 4, which you don't know it, but it is actually 45 degrees. Well, where do I get that from? Well, remember, pi is equal to 180 degrees. If I take pi and divide it by 4, and I take 180 and divide it by 4, pi over 4 is the same as 180 divided by 4, which is 45. So the answer is 45 degrees. Now, how do I know that? Well, I could just plug it into my calculator. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to go to radian mode. So I'm going to turn on my calculator, go to mode. I'm in radian mode. So now I'm going to go back, and I'm just going to say sine of, let me make this a little bigger so you can see it. I'm just going to say sine of 17 pi, wrong one, 17 pi divided by 4. So that's the number I get. So now Go to mode, and I change that to degree, and then I quit. If I hit sine of 45 degrees, I should get the same value. And I do. So it worked out. Let me take a little snapshot of that so we can see that they're the same value. Right in here. And that's it for that one.